was on patrolling in Vasco area. So when they reached near Khariwada, near Lakshmi temple, they found two persons going suspiciously from the way. So accordingly, they went there and they stopped the two persons and asked about their whereabouts, wherein they didn't give any satisfactory answers and they were looking suspicious. Their movement was little bit suspicious. Accordingly, their search was taken. One person was they having the bag on his shoulder, and another person was accompanying him. So when the search was taken, in the bag we found some greenish leafy color substance, contraband substance suspected to be a ganja. So of about 4 kg, worth rupees 4 lakh. Further, as per the NDPS guidelines, we conducted all the formalities and we conducted a Panchanama, and the said substance was attached under Panchanama. Further, both the persons, both were aged about 35 years age, residents of Pune, and both were taken into custody, detained and brought at the police station for further formalities. Further, we booked them under NDPS Act and we started our investigation. In the investigation, we came to know that they had come from Mohali to Delhi and from Delhi to Goa, and they were supposed to go to Pune. So in the meantime, one person delivered them ganja here in Goa, and presently we are in search of that person, and very soon we will try to nab that person who had delivered ganja to this person. So presently both the persons are arrested and presently in lockup, and our further investigation is in process.
So Rajapili Goyan with a
No, till now what the investigation conducted, they had not come to Goa previously.